What if I told you that one small green fruit could begin rebuilding your joints, easing stiffness, and unlocking natural pain relief starting today? This is Dr. William Lee, and today I want to talk about a fruit most people walk past in the grocery store, yet it holds one of the most powerful natural medicines for seniors over 60. That fruit is kiwi. Before you think, can a simple fruit really make a difference? Let me give you a reason to stay with me. Because in the next few minutes, you will discover how one kiwi a day can activate your body's own health defenses to strengthen joints, reduce inflammation, and support lifelong mobility naturally and safely. Kiwi may look like a small, simple fruit, but inside, it carries one of the most powerful natural tools for rebuilding joint cushioning, especially for seniors over 60. As we age, the soft padding between our joints, collagen, begins to thin out. This leads to aching knees, stiff hips, and a feeling that movement requires more effort than it used to. Most people believe this is just an unavoidable part of aging, but modern nutritional science tells a different story. Your body still has the ability to rebuild and repair. It simply needs the right signals, and kiwi provides them in a remarkable way. Imagine waking up in the morning, taking your first steps, and feeling less stiffness in your knees. That small improvement begins with a powerful trigger inside kiwi, its exceptional concentration of vitamin C. But this isn't ordinary vitamin C. It's a highly bioavailable form that the body absorbs quickly, allowing it to reach your cells in a matter of minutes. Vitamin C is the master ingredient your body uses to produce collagen. If collagen is the cushion, vitamin C is the worker that rebuilds that cushion every single day. Without enough of it, your body can't maintain joint strength. But with kiwi, you give your system exactly what it needs to start repairing the worn out tissue that protects your joints. Here's where things get even more fascinating. Kiwi doesn't just help create collagen, it also protects collagen from breaking down. Collagen naturally weakens over time due to stress, inflammation, and oxidative damage. Kiwi is loaded with antioxidants that act like a shield around your joints. They neutralize the molecules that damage joint tissue, giving your body a chance to rebuild without interruption. Seniors who start eating kiwi daily often describe feeling a gentle improvement in their flexibility, like someone has oiled the hinges inside their joints. That feeling is the quiet work of collagen restoration happening beneath the surface. There's a moment every senior deserves to experience, standing up after sitting for a while and realizing that the usual sharpness in the knees or tightness in the back is softer, lighter, or missing entirely. Kiwi makes that possible because it doesn't just support the joints, it nourishes them. Inside each kiwi is a combination of vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that activate the body's natural repair systems. These systems remain active throughout your entire life, but as we age, they need stronger signals to turn on. Kiwi sends those signals clearly and consistently. Think of kiwi as a daily message to your body that says, repair, restore, strengthen. This message becomes more powerful with consistency. One kiwi a day is not just a habit, it's a subtle force that moves your joints toward better mobility and comfort. Even if your joints have been stiff for years, the body responds the moment the right nutrients reach it. Seniors who feel limited in their movement often assume the best years of mobility are behind them, but the science of regenerative nutrition proves otherwise. Kiwi gives your joints the building blocks they've been missing, allowing them to regain resilience with time. Another remarkable aspect is the texture and softness of kiwi itself. The smoothness you taste is the same type of nourishment happening inside your joints. Every bite delivers the compounds that feed your connective tissues, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. Over time, these tissues become more elastic, more supported, and more resistant to everyday strain. The renewal is gentle but meaningful, and many seniors feel the difference even within the first few weeks. And here's something deeply motivating. Your body is never too old to respond to good nutrition. Kiwi serves as proof of that. With every daily serving, you're choosing mobility, choosing comfort, and choosing strength. You're giving your joints a fresh start, one bite at a time, and allowing your body to show just how capable it still is. Kiwi offers one of the most powerful natural ways to calm daily inflammation, especially for seniors who wake up each morning with stiffness that seems to settle deeper into the joints with age. Inflammation is often silent. You don't see it, but you feel its presence in your knees, hips, lower back, and shoulders. That slow, heavy soreness after sitting, the tightness in the morning, or the discomfort when climbing stairs are signs of an inflammatory process happening inside the body. What makes Kiwi remarkable is its ability to soothe this process from the inside out, giving your body the quiet support it needs to move with ease again. Every time you eat a kiwi, something extraordinary happens at the cellular level. Your body receives a surge of antioxidants, natural compounds that disarm the unstable molecules that ignite inflammation in the first place. When these molecules linger, they irritate your joints and slow down healing. But the antioxidants in kiwi act like a calming wave that sweeps through your body, helping to reduce the irritation, allowing your tissues to breathe and recover. Seniors often underestimate this gentle shift, but it's the first step toward feeling lighter, more flexible, and more comfortable throughout the day. Picture this moment. You stand up after sitting for a long time, expecting the usual stiffness in your knees or hips, but you feel just a bit more ease, a softness in your movement that wasn't there before. This isn't magic, it's the effect of inflammation calming down within the joints. Kiwi helps create these moments because it delivers a unique combination of plant compounds, vitamins, and enzymes that work together to reduce the swelling and heat inside your tissues. These natural elements don't force the body to change. They guide it gently toward balance. Another powerful effect of kiwi is its impact on oxidative stress, one of the main drivers of joint pain as we age. Oxidative stress is like rust forming inside the body. It wears down joint tissue and makes inflammation worse. Kiwi contains some of the highest levels of vitamin C found in any fruit, and this nutrient acts as a protective barrier. It not only reduces oxidative stress, but also prevents further joint damage, giving your body the chance to repair instead of constantly fighting. This shift is subtle day by day, but over time, seniors feel a difference in how freely they can move. The calming effect of kiwi goes beyond just the joints. It reaches into the immune system, which is the true command center for inflammation. An overactive immune response can make even small movements feel painful. Kiwi helps modulate this response by feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthier gut leads to a calmer immune system, and a calmer immune system results in less inflammation throughout the body. This is why seniors who begin eating kiwi regularly often notice improvements not only in joint comfort, but also in overall energy and well-being. Imagine waking up with the feeling that your body is cooperating with you again. Movements that once felt heavy start to feel smoother. Tasks that required effort begin to feel natural. This is kiwi's quiet work supporting long-term relief by calming inflammation at its root. Each fruit is like a message to your cells, telling them to restore balance, release tension, and reduce unnecessary swelling. What makes this process encouraging is that it doesn't require drastic effort. One kiwi a day is enough to set these changes in motion. It's a small, simple step, yet it creates a ripple of benefits throughout your body. You're not just reducing inflammation for the moment, you're training your body to maintain lower inflammation levels consistently. Kiwi offers seniors something deeply meaningful, the chance to experience comfort again, to enjoy movement without the fear of pain, to regain confidence in the body's ability to support them. With every daily serving, you're creating better days ahead, allowing your joints to feel calmer, lighter, and more capable than before. Kiwi delivers a remarkable benefit that many seniors never hear about. It helps improve blood flow in a way that directly supports joint repair and mobility. As the body ages, circulation naturally slows, and the tiny blood vessels that feed the joints become less active. This reduced blood flow means your knees, hips, shoulders, and lower back receive fewer nutrients, less oxygen, and slower healing support. What makes kiwi so impressive is its ability to encourage healthier, stronger, and more active blood vessels, allowing your joints to receive exactly what they need to recover and stay mobile. Inside every kiwi is a group of natural compounds that support the process known as healthy blood vessel growth. Think of your blood vessels as highways that deliver nourishment to every corner of your body. When these highways are open, flexible, and well-functioning, your joints receive a constant supply of building materials that help them heal from daily wear and tear. But when these pathways become narrow or sluggish, seniors begin to feel stiffness, pressure, and slow movement. Kiwi gently encourages the body to open these pathways, allowing fresh blood to reach the areas that need it most. Imagine your joints receiving a wave of oxygen-rich blood, bringing essential nutrients that help rebuild cartilage and soothe irritated tissues. This is what improved circulation feels like from the inside. Seniors often describe it as a sense of lightness, as though the joints are finally being cared for instead of ignored. The increased blood flow doesn't happen abruptly. It happens steadily, quietly, and reliably with each serving of kiwi. Kiwi is rich in natural compounds that help relax the inner lining of blood vessels, making it easier for blood to move smoothly. When vessels relax, circulation improves, and when circulation improves, healing accelerates. It's like giving your joints a fresh breath of air after years of feeling suffocated by inflammation and inadequate nourishment. Every bite of kiwi sends signals to your cardiovascular system that it's time to open up, time to move nutrients more efficiently, and time to support recovery. Picture this. You wake up in the morning expecting your usual stiffness, but instead you feel slightly more flexible, slightly more fluid in your movement. This subtle shift is what happens when better blood flow begins reaching your joints. The tissues become more responsive, the muscles feel less tight, and the stiffness that once held you back begins to loosen its grip. Over time, as circulation improves, the joints receive more consistent support, which helps them handle daily activity without becoming sore or swollen. Another important effect of kiwi's support for blood vessels is the delivery of antioxidants to the places where your joints need them most. When blood flow is limited, antioxidants can't reach inflamed tissues efficiently. But when kiwi encourages better circulation, the body can transport these protective compounds more effectively. This means more protection, faster repair, and deeper relief. Kiwi also contains nutrients that help reduce the stickiness of blood, making it flow more freely. When blood moves smoothly, it brings warmth and nourishment to areas that often feel cold or stiff, especially in the morning or after long periods of sitting. Seniors who consume kiwi daily often describe an unexpected comfort, the sense that their joints feel more alive, more active, and more willing to move. Every fruit supports the body in some way, but kiwi stands apart because of its ability to help the body heal through improved blood flow. Joints are living tissues, and living tissues need nourishment. With better circulation, the body can repair damaged cartilage, soothe inflamed areas, and rebuild connective tissues that support strength and movement. When you choose to eat a kiwi each day, you're giving your body a message of renewal. You're encouraging your blood vessels to stay active and youthful. You're helping your joints receive what they've been missing for years. And most importantly, you're allowing movement to feel natural again, supported, energized, and far more comfortable than before. Kiwi offers a unique kind of support that goes deeper than just easing joint pain. It works through the immune system and gut, helping the body create long-term relief that seniors can actually feel in their daily movement. Many people don't realize that the root of joint discomfort often starts in the gut. When the gut is imbalanced, the immune system becomes overactive, sending out unnecessary inflammatory signals that make the joints stiff, swollen, and painful. Kiwi has a remarkable ability to calm this internal imbalance by feeding the beneficial bacteria that keep the gut healthy and the immune system steady. This calming effect reaches the joints, giving them a chance to breathe, relax, and heal without constant irritation. Inside Every kiwi is a powerful combination of natural fibers, plant compounds, and enzymes that work like nourishment for the gut lining. These nutrients help strengthen the protective barrier inside the digestive system so unwanted particles don't leak into the bloodstream and trigger immune reactions. When this barrier becomes stronger, the immune system becomes calmer and the joints begin to feel less stressed. Seniors often notice small but meaningful changes at first. Movement that feels smoother, swelling that settles quicker, or discomfort that doesn't linger as long as it used to. These are signs that the body's internal environment is becoming more balanced, more peaceful, and more supportive of healthy joints. Imagine giving your gut the same kind of care you give to your heart or your muscles. The moment the gut becomes healthier, the whole body begins to shift. The immune system no longer reacts aggressively, and the joints no longer feel like they are under constant attack. Kiwi plays a central role in this shift because it delivers natural prebiotic fibers, the kind that good bacteria feed on to grow stronger. When these beneficial bacteria thrive, inflammation levels drop, digestion improves, and the immune system becomes more controlled and efficient. Seniors often describe this experience as suddenly feeling lighter, clearer, and more energized because the body is finally working with ease instead of strain. Kiwi also provides nutrients that protect the gut from oxidative stress, a key factor in chronic inflammation. Oxidative stress is like a slow, invisible irritation that builds up inside the body over years, wearing down tissues and weakening immune function. The antioxidants in kiwi act like a shield, protecting the gut lining and supporting the growth of healthy bacteria. When the gut is protected, the immune system stays balanced and the joints receive less inflammatory signaling. Over time, seniors may find that their usual morning stiffness becomes shorter, their mobility improves, and they recover faster after physical activity. Another powerful aspect of kiwi is its natural enzyme, actinidin, which helps improve digestion. Good digestion means food breaks down properly, nutrients absorb more efficiently, and the body creates less internal stress. When digestion is smooth, inflammation drops and the immune system relaxes. This gives the body more energy to redirect toward healing, rebuilding, and maintaining joint comfort. Every time a senior eats kiwi, they're giving their digestive system a small boost that turns into meaningful progress over time. Consider the feeling of taking a walk and noticing that your steps feel easier, your joints feel less tight, and your body feels more coordinated. These improvements happen because kiwi supports the gut immune connection in a way that affects the entire body. When inflammation is low and the immune system is stable, the joints move freely, the muscles respond better, and the body feels more aligned and less burdened. Kiwi is more than just a fruit. It acts as a daily message to your body that says, stay balanced, stay strong, keep the immune system calm, and keep inflammation under control. It encourages long-term joint comfort by nurturing the gut, supporting the immune system, and strengthening the natural healing processes that remain active throughout life. With one kiwi a day, seniors give themselves a powerful advantage, an internal environment that supports joint health consistently, allowing movement to feel smoother, softer, and more comfortable day after day. So here's my message to every senior listening today. Your body still wants to heal. Your joints still want to repair. Your mobility still wants to return. You just need to give your body the right tools. And one of the simplest, safest, most delicious tools is one kiwi a day. Start today. Give your joints the nourishment they've been waiting for, and let your body show you how strong, flexible, and pain-free life after 60 can truly be. This is Dr. William Li, and I believe your best health is still ahead of you.